This is the video for the Precor Treadmill, just how to take off the drive roller, which is the drive belt, which is the belt here. If that's all cracked or you need to take that off, then this video is how to do that. So what you first need to do is loosen off the rear roller to make the running mat loose, so then you can take out the front drive roller. What you'll do, this is the size quarter imperial measurement, quarter size Allen key. If you have the older version Precor, there might be the larger 3/4 Allen key, but just whatever Allen key fits in. You have this pointing up in the 12 o'clock position, and then what you want to do is do 5 full turns to undo this Allen key. So just do 5 full complete turns. I won't do it on this one because I don't need to actually do it. Then come across to this side, and on this side you'll do 10 full turns, because eventually that's what you want to do, is 10 full turns. So put it in there, do your full 10 turns on this side, and then come back to the left side and do your last 5 turns to match up with the other side. And this will keep you at knowing where the belt tension is, so you can put the belt tension back to the same tension. And then so you're doing your second lot of 5 on this side, so you end up doing 10 full turns on this side, 10 full turns on that side. And the reason why you do that is there's a long bolt that goes through here. If you undo this one 10 full turns at once, it may bend that bolt. So you want to do 5 turns, 10 turns, and then 5 turns. Then your mat's going to be really, really loose. Then what you'll do, you'll come around to the front of the treadmill, and so this is the newer version treadmill, but if you're replacing the drive belt here, the newer version just has this cradle here that once the running mat is loose, that this front roller will just lift out of and come out. But on the older version, you'll have a black metal bracket that comes around here, around this hole, and goes down the side here. It'll be like a L-shaped bracket. Undo the Phillips head screw on this side, and on this side you may have 1 or 2 of them. So undo both of those little L brackets there. Then with your mat being loose, because you've just loosened off the whole running mat, you can lift out this whole front roller. So then you'll grab the front roller with both sides with 2 hands, lift it up, and then you can prise off the belt off the side of the axle shaft here and feed the old belt out, and then put the new belt back through there, and then rest this back in the cradle. And then what you can do with the drive belt is to walk it on and off. You can just push this to one side, or you just turn this and then walk it off, and you'll see this drive belt here that's gone over a notch. And then to put the belt back on again, you can just walk it back the other way, which will make it walk back on again. For the new drive belt, that is. And then just make sure that it's all lined up when you put it all back together. Make sure these are sitting right in their grooves, and then you'll go to the back of the treadmill and then redo your, and then so again start on the left side, and you want to do your 5 turns to tighten up. So you're going to go clockwise to tighten up, do 5 turns, come across here, do your full 10 full turns clockwise, then come back here and do your second 5 full turns. Before you do that though as well, just make sure the mat is sitting about evenly on the treadmill as well. So look up the treadmill, then you can kick the mat to one side or kick it to the other side, make sure it's in the center before you lock these up, and then just do your 10 full turns back up again. Just do them slowly so this doesn't fall out the Allen key. So if you half turning it around and you're turning it too tight and it falls out and you don't know where you are, then you might get the wrong turn and you'll get the wrong tension back on the belt. So just slowly do it, slowly turn it as you need to, just slowly and gently, just gently pull it around and turn it, and then get it back to your 10 full turns. And then you just want to run the treadmill and make sure that it's tracking right, that the whole running track itself here is in the middle of the treadmill, and then also check that this drive belt isn't going to pull off one of the pulleys. If it slightly moves over to the left here, or slightly moves into the motor at the front even, then you need to adjust this back over on the teeth either way. So that's how you replace the drive belt on a Precor treadmill. Thanks.